see trees of green.
Whoa.
Red roses too. I see 'em bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
No way.
Wonderland is now open! Boy, it's gonna be a great day!
1, 2, 3, north!
You might want to hold on.
We are the wonder in Wonderland.
What a wonderful world.